Hi, in this video we will check about the Firebase storage rules. If you notice, currently it allows write, read if true. So that's mean every unauthenticated user or everyone can write or read. If you want to restrict only to the login or authenticated user, how we can do that, let's see in this video. There are many other rules. You can restrict user to specific directory or specific file. You can just search about in that documentation, but currently in this video I will show you like how we restrict a user to read or write only if the user is login or register, so that will consider as authenticated user. So that is how we restrict the user if the request auth not is equal to not. So that's mean if the user is registered or login, so its auth request will be not null. So that is how you can restrict a user only read or write in the storage directory or bucket. If the user is authenticated, in that case it will allow to read or write. So that is pretty much regarding in this video. It's a very short video, so we will later on in the future will discuss further about the rules, but currently I am focusing on other topics which is regarding Firebase database.